There it is. You see how it's starting?
Yeah.
Oh, it's gonna be great.
Where is it?
It disappeared. It's gonna launch the second stage, right, Ricky?
Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
Oh.
You see that? Oh, that's great. See, it's only visible at this time. It's gonna get so much more crazy.
Yeah. Like, we never saw this before like that.
That's the
Can you zoom in on it?
yeah. That's the Twilight phenomenon.
Can I see Peter?
Look at it. Look at it. Look at the rockets that just. Oh, the fairings. Those are the two top parts. Watch. Let me put that branch there so you can see how fast it's going.
That big.
Come over here on this
Those two white things you see there
Yeah.
are the front parts.
Oh.
The fairings are called.
And that last piece, that's like there, it's like falling.
Well, that looks.
Isn't it incredible?
That looks like a kite.
Yeah, that does.
Look, the trees kind of give it.
I can still see it even though it's still.
Gives it a good reference point. Huh? All right, let's go across the street and let's not get run over now. This is a good one.